Hi guys, welcome back to Technoxity. This is Adnan Ahmed back with another video. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you another application to earn money from, and make sure to watch the whole video without skipping so that you don't miss out on any steps that will help you in making more money. So guys, let's head on to the mobile screen now and let's get started. So guys, we are back onto the mobile screen. Now just need to search for Mouthshut on Play Store. That's Mouthshut. Just a second, Mouthshut. And you will get this app. Download the first app. This is the app. Just need to download it. I've already installed it, so let me just open it from here and it will open up. And guys, in this app you just have to write reviews of movies, products and services, and it will show you some trending topics when you open up the device like this, and you can just close it, or if you are interested you can just write a review about those, and it will give you the various categories over here. You can select one sorry guys, and you can just select a category and it will offer you many other subcategories. You can just select one among them. Under mobiles it's showing me separately mobile or tablets or mobile operators or power banks or internet service providers. So here again let's select mobile, and guys, if you are when you write a review, make sure you have used the product at least once. So over here you will find a lot of mobile phones. You can just go down. That's you're on the trending page. So if you write a review about these products, it will be really easy to rank high. And if you go to the latest products, these are the latest ones. That's Xiaomi Redmi Note 7, Redmi Note 7 3GB, and Note 7 4GB. Okay, they have mentioned the RAMs. Note 7 Pro is also out, guys. I didn't even know. Okay, so you can just go to one of those and tap on one of the mobile and then just write a review about those. And when you write a review, you just have to tap this plus button, write a review, upload photo, add a product or compare product. It will give you so many options. Then you have to just click on write a review. When you click on write review, it will take you to a page where you can actually write those. So first you just need to tell them did you like it or not. So first you will have to select the like or dislike button like this, and then I don't want to write it now, and then you can just give a title. That's product review title. It means you can give the mobile name or the feeling that's you liked it or disliked it, or like must check, something like that. And then write a detailed review of not less than 250 characters, and then rate it on a 5-star scale. And then they'll ask you for some FAQs. That's these 3 questions down there. You can just select the answers, select the scaling in between those, and rate the answer, and then click submit. And the Mouthshut team will review it and add 20 MS points to your account, and then you can just check it over here. I have written 2 reviews, guys, and that's done today, I guess. And one has got 42 views. That's for the movie Total Dhamal, and 101 views for Vivo V15 Pro. And I'm recording the video after 3 days. I've written the review, so it's showing 3 days ago. And you can do another thing. You just have to what do you say, guys? You have to verify your KYC details. That you just need to fill in your basic details: name, phone number, address, email address, and then upload a ID proof. That can be your Aadhaar card or something like that. Hit 500 MS points to Encash. After doing all those things, you need to have 500 MS points, and 1 MS point is equal to 1 rupee, and you can just withdraw it from here. When you click participate now, write share win. That's a separate contest going on. You can write and share it once, and then you can directly get the money into your Mouthshut account. And this is how you earn a lot of money, guys. If you even write some 20 reviews, then you can easily earn 400 rupees. And okay, then if you want to earn 500 per day to withdraw it on the same day, then you have to write 25 reviews, I guess. 25 into 20, that will also be a lot of money. And when you calculate to the whole month, if you Encash 500 every day, then for 30 days it's going to be 15,000 guys. That's a lot of money. And if you guys like this video, make sure to share it with your friends and try it once guys, and I'll give you the link in the description to download Mouthchat. And thanks for watching. Make sure you download it from that app, from that link, so that I to earn some invite points. And thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one. Until then, subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.